Do you want to clean up your TradingView chart without deleting your drawings? In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to hide and unhide them in just a seconds. Let's get started. Here on your left side, you will see the eyes icon. Click that, and all the drawings will automatically be hidden. If you want to show it again, you can click it, and there you go. You will see the drawings again. But if you want to just choose a specific drawing that you want to hide, what you can do is you can go to the specific drawing that you want to hide, click the drawing, and here it will show up this option. Click the three dots icon for more option, and here you will see hide. So click this one. Now that you have hidden the specific drawing, if you want to view that drawing again, what you can do is you can go here to the right side where you can see this object tree and data window. Click this one, and you will see here this is the drawing that you have hidden. Click the eye icon, and it will show up automatically here. You will notice the difference between hidden and unhidden lines or drawings is because it is in a faded word like this one compared to this one. Like, let's see, if you hide them, it will be in a faded letters. So if you unhide them again, and that's how it is. Okay, that's it. Pretty simple way to declutter your chart without losing your work. Try it out and keep your analysis clean. So if you like this video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and share it to your trading buddies. See you in our next one.